How to fix Steam Error Code E20. For this first step, allow Steam through firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Stream. If it's available means make sure it should enable in both private and public. Make sure it. And the Steam is not having means you need to click Allow another app and click Browse and you can add it. For easy method, come outside, right click Stream, click Open File Location and copy the address in the top side. Come back and paste the address in the browse location. You can easily get the application. Scroll down and click it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and make sure you should enable in both private and public and click OK. Once complete after, you need to restart your device. Before that, you need to go to Task Manager and scroll down and check for Steam is running in background or not. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Completely end the task of Steam which are running in background. Close it and restart your device. Once complete after, the next step, clean Steam, download caches. For this, open up Steam, click Steam settings, click it. In this, you need to click download, scroll down, click download caches, click clear cache and confirm it. Once you confirm it, it will come outside of the Steam. Then after the next step, search for CMD, click run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig space slash flash DNS. Type it correctly and click enter. And next, netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. And next, netsh space int space IP space reset. Click enter. Once completing after, you need to exit it. Exit and come to next step. Delete Steam cached. For this, open up open file location of the Steam and delete the app caches. Delete it and come back and again right click Steam. Click properties. Click compatibility and make sure run the program as administrator. It should be in enable. Click apply and OK. Once complete after, you need to restart your device. Thank you.